Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Evolution. So today I'm presenting a much awaited update for the Ebayomatic plugin because the feeds API from eBay is deprecated and will be shut down soon. I had to update the Ebayomatic plugin to work with the new API that eBay will use starting from now instead of the feeds API. And this update was done. It is available in version 4.0 of the plugin. So if you haven't heard of Ebayomatic, you can check it in this video's description. The link is available there. You will be able to buy it and use it with its new update. So this new update has some required changes that you need to be doing in the plugin settings after you update the plugin. So the most important is that you need to add a client secret to the plugin's main settings, because this was not here before and was not required by the feeds API, but now by the new data API this is also required. So to get this, click here. And until now the app ID was copied from here, and the app secret you need to copy will be here. So if you haven't added your app ID, add it from here, and also your client secret or your cert ID should be added from here. So copy this, paste it over here, save info, and you are done. You will be able to use the plugin once again. Also, something to note here, that your account, your API account, also needs to be signed up for closure notifications to continue working with eBay API. This is a new requirement from their part. I created in the near past a video on this. I will link it also in this video's description. So if you haven't done the eBay account closure notification setup for your eBay API account, please also click on the link from this video's description, where you will see the YouTube video I created, which will explain how to set up these closure notifications in eBay API and the plugin. But now let's get back to our stuff here with the latest update. So if you entered the settings here, then you will be able to go to search to posts and to set up some new importing rules in the plugin. To do this, select a keyword, for example laptop, and let's import 5 posts. You will also have some additional settings that were kept from the previous version of the plugin. You will be able to search for free shipping, search also in item description, cart payment only. You can filter by seller IDs, exclude seller IDs, sort the results by these filters. Listing types, you will be able to search minimum price, maximum price, exclude category IDs, eBay category, you can search in a specific category from eBay, and target country, you can set the country you wish to make searches in, also in which your affiliate account is approved. Now let's save settings, let's check our site here, it is empty, and we can run importing now. If a yellow rhombus appears, simply run importing again, because the new update of the plugin will override some previous settings of the old plugin version you had installed on your site. So this is normal, and the next running should import new posts, as you can see in my case here. So the old settings of the plugin were overwritten by the new version, and importing will now work. So if we run importing again, the green tick will once again appear, and new posts will be imported to our site from eBay API. And keep in mind, this is using now the official eBay API, so it will keep on going for a long time from now on. And if we refresh our site, here are the nice products that were imported. Let's go ahead and click on one. We can see featured image, and this is a small presentation that the plugin creates for the product, a buy now link, which if clicked will go to the eBay product, and it's 269 euros as it is described here. And because I have selected a German version of the eBay in my main settings, so in my main settings I have set eBay Germany because this affiliate ID is approved there, and because of this will be in German. But you can set here, for example, United States, save info, and if we go back to settings and delete posts that were generated and rerun importing, we will be able to see more US products imported which are also in English. Okay, so keep in mind this video will not cover the setup of the plugin, the rest of the settings and many other stuff, just this update that needs to be done by anyone who needs to continue using this plugin. Okay, so here are the US products. If you want to remove the duplicate image, simply remove the item get intro shortcode. So this is the shortcode which displays this image. So simply remove this and save settings, and this image will be removed. And here are the US product specifications with some images, and yeah, keep in mind this will be your affiliate link, and these many affiliate parameters will be added to your affiliate link after you configure the plugin successfully. Okay, so yeah, these other settings were inherited from the previous version of the plugin because they were also present there. So you can select the country in which you wish to search eBay. You can set the plugin to continuously import posts and products, not just search for the latest products available. You can set the category where you wish to search, exclude category IDs, minimum price, maximum price, listing type. You can select eBay listing types. Here you wish to import free shipping only if you want, only with free shipping, only with credit card payments. Search also in description. The keywords you enter should be also searched in description of the products. You search for seller IDs, exclude seller IDs, and sort results by these settings. Okay, so these are the latest features that the Ebayomatic plugin contains. Don't forget, go ahead, update and enter your client secret here, and you will be able to continue using the plugin without issues. If you want also to watch a full setup video of this plugin, I will link it in this video's description. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.